Hello, my dear children. In today's science class, we will discuss about our previous chapter. The name of the chapter is chapter number 6, Changes Around Us, the last portion of this chapter. Okay, then let's start. The last portion is what are the major causes of changes? So, children, there are many ways that changes take place. These are by heating and cooling. Next, by applying pressure. Next, mixing. These are the ways where the changes take place. So, we are now going to discuss them one by one. Clear? Now, our first topic is changes caused due to heating or cooling. Expansion on heating and contraction on cooling. Some materials expand means increase in size on heating and they decrease in size on cooling. Now let's take an example. Fixing an iron rim on a wooden car wheel of a cart. Wooden wheel of a cart. Now, how it is prepared, this kind of wheel, how it is going to be prepared, children? First of all, take an iron rim. Iron is a metal. So, first of all, take that iron rim little bit smaller than this wooden wheel. First, the iron rim is heated up and fit to this wooden wheel. And after that, cold water are poured. And when the cold water are poured on this iron rim, it cool down and contract and fit into this wheel. Clear? Take another example in case of a gap between the railway track. Okay. Now, why there is a little bit gap between the railway track? Because railway track is also made up of iron. In summer or in the morning daytime, due to the presence of sun, the railway track get heated and they expand their size. And if there is no gap between this track, then what will happen, children? The accident occurred. Similar in the winter season or in night time, when it get cool, it contract. So, if there is no gap between them, then it's bent and again accident occur. So, to avoid this accident, there is a little gap between this railway track. Clear? Now, our next topic is hot on heating and cool on cooling. Now, children, hot on heating and cool on cooling, we can easily feel that from the daytime in the presence of sun, in the morning to daytime we are feeling so warm, right? And when the sun set, it means absence of sun, we are feeling cool. The same phenomena we can see in nature also. Due to this cooling and heating of land and sea, the land breeze and sea breeze are occurred. Clear? Come to next, burning on heating. Burning of heating as the combustible substance like paper, petrol are start burning on heating. Next, changes of state. We also observe that due to presence of heat, when we take out the ice from the freezer and kept it in the room temperature, it start melting. So, getting on heat, the ice melts into water. It means it change its state from solid to liquid. And when again we take that water and kept into the freezer, again it convert into ice. It means on cooling, the water convert into solid state, it means ice. So, state are also changed due to heating and cooling. Understood, children? Now, take another cause. Changes caused due to applying pressure. Changes in size and shape. Children, whenever we press a fluffy cushion or a sponge ball, their shapes are changes. And after releasing the pressure, they get back their original form. Take an example. This fluffy, this sponge ball, if we press it, it change its shape, right? And after releasing the pressure, they get back their original shape. In same case, take an fluffy cushion. When we press it, it change its shape, and after releasing the pressure, they get back their original shape. Clear? Come to next one, breaking of objects. On applying pressure, like the substance like glass, coal, they break into many pieces. Okay. Hope this cause due to applying pressure is clear to you all. Last cause from this chapter is changes caused due to mixing. If we mixed sugar with water, we will get sugar solution. It is an physical and reversible change. But in case of quicklime with water, we will obtain select lime, and it is an chemical and irreversible change. Hope this full chapter is clear to you all now. Thank you, children.